Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. Well, this is me Rudra Dharwa, standing before you all and tending to people. So, well, guys, today we are going to hear and we are going to learn public speaking. Public speaking means that we speak before people. So, by the way, we do not have many people, but we are speaking here in front of few people. Then also, this is the beginning way of our public speaking. So, guys, keep watching this video till the end to learn how to speak before people. We are not saying that we are good at public speaking, but we are trying to become a public speaker. How to speak? So you know how to speak. You have to speak here. How to speak here? You don't have to stand in one place, but whatever you want to speak, you have to speak while walking. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I want to speak something which is very interesting. It will definitely make you comfortable. It will definitely make you happy that I'm going to speak today. And if unfortunately it doesn't make you happy, it doesn't make you comfortable, I'm so sorry for this. Please forgive me. But I want to say that why I am here. So to be here, first of all, I would like to thank you all. Because of you, today I'm here. If you are not here, then I will not be here. So first of all, I'd like to bow down for you all. So ladies and gentlemen, today I want to say that where to learn this public speaking, where to stand before people. All the time, guys, we cannot stay at our home. All the time, we cannot sit in a corner of our house and anywhere. Sooner or later, we have to come out of our comfort zone and stand before people and speak something. And if we don't know how to speak before people, then it will be a rocket science to stand and to speak. That time, you know what happens. Our hands start shivering, our legs start trembling. We are not able to even stand in a particular place and we are not able to speak. If you know something, then our mind goes blank. So that is why today we are here to learn this public speaking. So ladies and gentlemen, dear viewers, keep watching this video to learn how to speak before people. We belong to a village and you are watching our channel Village English Institute. Which institute? Only you can find in village. If you are new here, guys, hit the subscribe button. We don't need anything, but we need only one thing, that's a precious comment. Leave one comment to let us know your intention and your thoughts that you have about us. So first of all, I'd like to welcome to one person who is very studious and who is very excited, who is very enthusiastic, who is very glad to come here and to speak here and to improve his or her communication as well as public speaking. His name, he is none other than Mr. Satyaprakash Bhai. Please come here and give a round of applause for him. Okay. So, are you ready?
Yes.
With full enthusiasm, with full interest, you have to speak here. Walk here, be relaxed. If today you can speak here, then tomorrow you can speak in front of 1,000 people, in front of million people.